You are watching part 14 of the full series of Java interview questions. These are the 5 questions we are going to discuss in this session. Can we override the overloaded method? Can we override the private methods? Can we change the scope of the overridden method in the subclass? Can we modify the throws clause of the superclass method while overriding it in the subclass? Can you have virtual functions in Java? First question, can we override the overloaded method? The answer is, of course, yes. This is to trick you and keep you thinking. Just think logically and answer confidently. Second question, can we override the private methods? The answer is a clear no. We cannot override the private methods because the scope of private methods is limited to the class and we cannot access them outside of the class. Third question, can we change the scope of the overridden method in the subclass? Yes, we can change the scope of the overridden method in the subclass. However, we must notice that we cannot decrease the accessibility of the method. There are a few points to be taken care of while changing the accessibility of the method. First, the private can be changed to protected, public, or default. Second, the protected can be changed to public or default. Third, the default can be changed to public. Lastly, the public will always remain public. Next question, can we modify the throws clause of the superclass method while overriding it in the subclass? Yes, we can modify the throws clause of the superclass method while overriding it in the subclass. However, there are some rules which are to be followed while overriding in case of exception handling. First, if the superclass method does not declare an exception, subclass overridden method cannot declare the checked exception, but it can declare the unchecked exception. Second, if the superclass method declares an exception, subclass overridden method can declare same, subclass exception or no exception but cannot declare parent exception. Next question, can you have virtual functions in Java? The answer is yes. All functions in Java are virtual by default. Hope you have learned something and feel confident to answer the questions we discussed so far. Here is the list of questions that will be discussed in the next session. Please check out our playlist for more questions and subscribe our channel for updates and notifications. Good luck for your upcoming interviews.